You can't eat with dirty hands. Bacteria will get into your tummy. Eat an apple, and your tummy will stop hurting.